Welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for November 20th, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 6:46 a.m. Central Standard Time, followed by sunset at 4:26 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. An hour before sunrise, brilliant Venus stands nearly 30 degrees above the southeast horizon. It easily outshines all other stars in the sky this morning as the single bright planet. The morning star steps eastward each morning against Virgo's distant stars, 3.1 degrees to the lower left of Purima, also known as Gamma Virginis, and 11.4 degrees to the upper right of Spica, Virgo's brightest stars. In 2 mornings, Venus moves to within 10 degrees of Spica, passing in a wide conjunction on the 29th. Through a telescope, Venus shows a morning gibbous phase that is 63% illuminated. Jupiter is not visible at this hour, but 2 hours earlier, the planet is nearly 15 degrees up in the west, while Venus is less than 10 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. The Venus-Jupiter gap is over 155 degrees, leading up to their opposition December 10th. Mars, a few days after its solar conjunction, only rises a few minutes before the Sun. It becomes visible during the new year in the eastern sky before sunup. In the evening sky, Mercury is not easily visible in the western sky after nightfall. The planet is bright and nearly 7 degrees above the southwest horizon at sundown. It sets nearly 50 minutes after the Sun. The planet is easier to spot for southern hemisphere sky watchers. An hour after sunset, the slightly gibbous moon, 56% illuminated, is over 30 degrees above the south-southeast horizon and 5.4 degrees to the lower left of Saturn. Saturn is slowly moving eastward in front of Aquarius, 6.9 degrees to the upper left of Deneb Alchdi, meaning the kid's tail. Use a binocular to see the planet and the star. They fit tightly into the same field of view. The moon passes 3.1 degrees below Saturn earlier today after 9 a.m. CST when the pair is below the horizon in the western hemisphere. The conjunction can be observed across a large region of the eastern hemisphere after local sunset. Bright Jupiter is farther eastward, over 20 degrees above the east horizon. With this moonlight, a binocular might be needed to see Hamel, 11.3 degrees to the planet's upper left, and Menkar, 12.9 degrees below the planet. During the night, the Moon and Saturn appear farther westward, setting around midnight. Jupiter is south nearly 6 hours after sunset. It is in the west again tomorrow morning 3 hours before sunrise when Venus is low in the east. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.